Our Miss World Philippines 2021 will compete in Puerto Rico this coming December. Candidate number 36, Tracy Maureen Perez.
The Queen is home. Miss World Philippines 2021 Tracy Maureen Perez is now back in Cebu to greet her fans and supporters before she flies out again to prepare for the international pageant in Puerto Rico this December. She recently came from another homecoming in Bayugan City, 𝗛𝗢𝗘𝗡𝗏, which was also where she grew up in for several years.
Of course, magdiligid ko mapulan og thank you ninyong tanan sa tanan mga Bisaya, tanan Cebuanos. Again, you have witnessed my journey since 2019 and even prior to joining national pageants, I started 2016 and finally 2021 is finally my year and our year for the Cebuana. So just my heartfelt gratitude to every single one of you, all of those who have been sending me messages of inspiration and just really motivating me to keep going because it can be tiring at times, but just seeing all of those, all of my supporters, that's already enough for me to just keep on fighting every single day. And I promise you guys that for my upcoming competition, come this December 16, I will give it my very best, the very best of the Cebuanos and the very best of the Philippines.
On her third attempt, the 28-year-old industrial engineer from Cebu was finally awarded the crown, and she said that she has learned a lot from those experiences.
Probably the biggest lesson that I learned, if it's okay to want things so much, that's okay, and it's very much okay to keep on working until you achieve those goals. But then again, you have to also think that there are things that are out of control, and just being able to just let things flow and just do your best every single time and not let any negativity affect you, that is always the key. So everything else, it all boils down to balancing your emotions, your thoughts, and everything in between.
When asked if she has already gotten over how she felt twice on the pageant stage last October 3, this was her answer.
Have I gotten over that? No, definitely not. Nauwaw ko, yes, kaayo jud. At that moment, kanang feeling kayo ni mo may tag-ikaw na lang kog yuta, kanang nga nga feeling. That's what exactly I felt that time. Pero I just told myself, I have to get back up. It's my last competition. It's my last stage performance. It's my last time for the Philippines. So might as well just enjoy every single bit of it. Even though nahulog man ko twice, it doesn't matter because I was able to bring home the crown. And
you see videos of it on the internet.
actually, for the first few days, I made sure not to look at any videos because I was scared that I would get affected of it. But then when I saw one video, I actually just laughed about it. It was really funny, and parang it was a good experience. At least bucket list. I was able to do that in front of national TV. Why not?
Perez will be doing some of her video shoots here in Cebu for the 70th Miss World International pageant. And she announced that 𝗛𝗢𝗘𝗡 will still be the one making her national costume.
Actually, for now, ang mga materials and karon kay nagsugod na mig hinay-hinay sad man. Actually, karon pa jud na mo nako ang sukod ni Tracy. So karon imo na ang pattern, so by mga next 2 weeks na mahuman na siya hopefully.
Give us lang a hint of what to expect for the design or for the peg or the concept.
Something vibrant, something very fluid karon ang design. Then more sparkling jud siya, shiny man. Dili na siya mabash. For sure. Pero Miss World is very feminine, so you expect gowns, but vibrant jud akong gipili karon, like super ang color niya sihag kayo.
This has been 𝗛𝗢𝗘𝗘𝗡 for MyTV Cebu.